A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So in our previous class, children, we solved some of the questions from the workbook, right? So today we are going to start with practice questions. So you can take out your workbook, page number 15, and also your maths copy, draw a margin there, write today's date, and let's start solving these questions. So the first question is addition of money. So let's do this. First one, add. A. Rupees 11.19 and rupees 21.10. So it is, you know how to do addition of the money, right? So you can do this, arrange it vertically. Rupees and paisa. One side you give rupees. We separate rupees and paisa with this dot. Then 21.10. Now you add this. 9 plus 0 is what? 9. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Then dot will come in one line. Same line. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is rupees 32 and 29 paisa. Clear? So rest B and C you can do it as homework, children. Let's do the next number 2 addition. Number 2 addition. So it is same as number 1 only. Still I will do A for you so that you can do B and C for yourself. Rupees 33.99 and rupees 55. So children, let's do this addition. Arrange vertically. 33.99, then 55.00. So let's do this addition. We start from this. 9 plus 0 is 9. Then 9 plus 0 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. And again 5 plus 3 is 8. So here the answer is rupees 88 and 99 paisa. Clear? Number 2, rest B and C you can do it as homework. Again question number 3, children, it is same as 1 and 2 addition. Solve the following. Solve the following. So I'll show the first question and rest 2 you can do it as homework. Solve the following. The first one is rupees 34.34 plus rupees 12.13. So you know how to do. You can arrange vertically rupees and paisa. So 34.34 plus 12.13. Now let's do this addition. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Very good. Then dot. Have you observed, children? I have put dots below each other, right? It should be in one line. Then 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So here we get 46 rupees and 47 paisa. Clear? So question number 3, B, C, you can do it as homework. Then again children, question number 4, solve the following is again addition. That is solve the following. So I'll do one for you so that you can do BC as homework. Question 4. A. Rupees 70.25 plus rupees 2.20. 0 2 we read it as 2. So let's arrange this. 70.25 now add and get the answer, children. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Then 0 plus 2 is what? 2. 7 plus 0 is 7. So here we get rupees 72 and 45 paisa. Clear? Number 5. It is also addition, children. So you can do this till I'll show you one, and rest you can do it as homework. Number 5. Addition. A. Rupees 7.63 and rupees 15.35. So children, here it means and means addition, right? So we are going to do addition. So you can see here it is 7, single digit, right? Whereas in rupees here it is 2 digit. So what we are going to do to make it 2 digit, children, we are going to put, first we will write 7. First we are going to put rupees and paisa, children. Put the symbols, rupees and paisa. Then here it comes 7.63, right? Then next is what? 15.35. That is 5 comes below 7 and 1 comes here. Dot 35. Now children, what we can do, this space is blank, right? So what we can do, we can put 0 here. Clear? So this is 7.63, that is 7 rupees and 63 paisa. Now children, if you put by mistake, you may do that. This is wrong. If you put 7 and 0, this will become 70. This is completely wrong. But if you put 0 before 7, children, it will keep, the value will remain same, that is 7. So let's do it. Addition. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 comes here and 1 will be carried over the other place, right? Now 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we get rupees 22 and 98 paisa. Clear? So rest too you can do it, children, yourself. Try to solve yourself. And the subtraction, children, will start in our next class. And I will send 2 questions, children, in the Google Classroom. You try to solve that and I will discuss the answer to those questions in our next class. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.